Hi guys, so nandito kami sa Esplanade. So hinahanap ko yung mga food trip.
Yung lights.
Hindi ko alam kung nasaan.
Why do we need to go there? I'm scared.
Ah, yeah. Going down.
There?
Ayan yung view. Look at that.
Is that the...
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. So,
Mommy, is that this the baby soya?
yeah. So we're going down to the food trip.
What food trick?
Food
Tapo nung
food
wala
trip.
dyan.
Ala, ayun na. Look at that. Ayun na. Ayun na.
I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you.
What about that? Yeah. Ino.
We see balloon. I didn't see that.
Yeah, there is.
There's only two? I thought there's like 100.
Spider-Man Asher.
Mama,
Ang daming tao dito.
you didn't tell me there's like so many characters. You said there's only two.
So we're going down there. Here.
What? What's that? What's this?
What's that? Ang ganda. Ayan. So first time kong nakapunta na maganito na. So galing na ako dati dito. Look at that. Hanpas. Guys, grabe ang ganda. Lock key din dito. So kung gusto niyo mag-lock key, ayan.
Mama.
Hahanapin natin si Nining B.
Ow.
Nining B.
Maybe there's like a character named Luffy or not.
Yeah.
There's no name Luffy? What is it?
Makita ko na si Nining B. Saan ka na? Dami.
Mom, I'm already hungry from... I saw the teddy bear!
Ah, dance. Ayun mo, ang haba-haba pala dito. Grabe. Ayun o.
Spider-Man!
Hindi na namin alam kung paano kami babalik, Char.
Wow! I like this place!
May mga pulis din dito nakabantay. So, ang dami-daming tao. Look at that. Here, Asher. Asher.
Oh, touch that freaking thing.
Ayun, ayun. Ang daming mga cartoon character.
Huwag ka na nga kay tita eh.
aray ko. Grabe pala ang taas nito. Nahihilo na kami sa kakaikot. Yung isa galit na galit. Ayun o. Ganyan kadami. Ganyan kadami.
Ay, na ayaw mo kasi naliras tayo.